Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we're diving deep into understanding your target audience with precision using the dynamic platform Pinterest. In the world of business, knowledge is power. And when it comes to knowledge about your customers, it's not just power, it's the key to your success. Knowing who your customers are, what they desire, and how they behave is crucial. But how can you get these insights? Enter Pinterest, a visual discovery engine that's more than just a platform for sharing recipes and DIY projects. It's a treasure trove of consumer insights waiting to be unlocked. With Pinterest, you can delve into the depths of your target audience's demographics, interests, and behaviors. You see, Pinterest isn't just about pretty pictures. It's a robust tool for understanding your customers in a way that no other platform can offer. So stay tuned as we explore how to leverage Pinterest to identify your ideal customers. Scene script. Who is your customer? It's not just about demographics. It's about understanding their aspirations, desires, and pain points. Indeed, knowing who your customer is goes beyond mere numbers. It's about delving into the essence of their interests, hobbies, and lifestyle choices. So, how do we do this? Enter Pinterest, a platform that offers a unique window into the lives and preferences of your target audience. Imagine Pinterest as a grand mosaic, where each pin represents a piece of someone's life. By observing the pins saved by your target audience, you can start to piece together a picture of who they are. For example, a user who pins a lot of healthy recipes and workout routines is likely health conscious. A user who pins home decor ideas might be a homeowner or someone planning to buy a home soon. By analyzing these patterns, you can start to understand your customers at a deeper level. But it's not just about what they pin. It's also about how they interact with the content. Are they commenting on pins related to your business? Are they sharing pins with their followers? This kind of engagement can offer you insights into what resonates with your audience and what doesn't. Pinterest also offers a wealth of demographic information. You can learn about their age, gender, location, and even education level. This information can help you narrow down your target audience and focus your marketing efforts more effectively. Finally, remember to consider the lifestyle choices that your audience makes. Are they into sustainable living? Do they love luxury travel? Are they DIY enthusiasts? These lifestyle choices can reveal a lot about their values and priorities, which can help you align your offerings with what matters most to them. With Pinterest, you can gather a wealth of data to inform your marketing strategies and better understand your customers. So, start exploring Pinterest today. Use it as a tool to paint a vivid picture of your audience and their interests. And remember, in the world of business, understanding your customer is the first step towards success. Understanding how much your customers can pay is crucial for pricing strategies and product development. So, how can Pinterest help you decipher this critical aspect of your business? Imagine Pinterest as a window into your audience's lives, a window that allows you to observe their lifestyle choices and purchasing habits. By paying close attention to the content they engage with, you can glean valuable insights into their purchasing power and preferences. Let's use an example. Suppose a large portion of your audience regularly saves pins related to luxury travel destinations, high-end fashion, or gourmet cuisine. This behavior can indicate a higher disposable income and a preference for premium products or services. On the other hand, if your audience gravitates towards pins related to budget-friendly DIY projects, thrift shopping, or cost-effective travel hacks, it suggests a more frugal approach to spending. But it's not just about the big-ticket items or budget hacks. Look for patterns in the everyday products they pin: cosmetics, clothing, home decor, and more. Are they consistently pinning high-end brands, or do they prefer more affordable options? These subtle cues can provide a wealth of information about their financial comfort zone. Remember, affordability isn't just about how much your customers can spend. It's also about how much they're willing to spend. Carefully observing the types of products, brands, and experiences your audience interacts with on Pinterest can give you a better understanding of their value perception. For instance, If your audience frequently saves pins about organic food, sustainable products, or ethical fashion, it indicates they value these aspects and are likely willing to pay a premium for them. Understanding these nuances is key to developing products and pricing strategies that resonate with your audience. It's essential to remember that while Pinterest can provide you with insightful data, it's just one piece of the puzzle. It's crucial to complement these insights with other research methods to gain a comprehensive understanding of your audience's purchasing power and preferences. By deciphering the clues in Pinterest content, you can better understand your audience's spending habits. And with this understanding, you can create an offering that not only meets their needs, but also aligns with their budget. Once you've identified your target audience, it's essential to speak their language. Now that you've got a clear understanding of who your customer is and what they can afford, it's time to tap into the power of tailored messaging. The key to resonating with your audience lies in the content they save, share, and engage with on Pinterest. Each pin, each board tells a story about their interests, their values, and their desires. And it's in these stories that you'll find the language your audience speaks. Think about the words they use, the images they're drawn to, even the colors and styles that pop up again and again. What are they pinning and why? Are they pinning recipes for quick and easy meals, or are they pinning 5-star gourmet dishes? Are they pinning budget-friendly home decor ideas? Or are they pinning luxury furniture and high-end design? Each pin is a clue, each board a piece of the puzzle. Now let's translate these insights into your messaging. If your audience is into quick and easy meals, your messaging should reflect that. Your ad copy might highlight the simplicity and convenience of your product. Your visuals might showcase the product in action, capturing that moment of quick and easy satisfaction. On the other hand, if your audience is pinning luxury furniture and high-end design, your messaging should exude sophistication and elegance. Your ad copy might emphasize the high-quality materials and craftsmanship of your product. Your visuals might depict a luxurious lifestyle, with your product as the centerpiece. Remember, it's not just about selling a product or a service. It's about connecting with your audience on a deeper level. It's about understanding their needs, their desires, and their aspirations, and showing them how your product or service can enrich their lives. By observing and analyzing Pinterest activity, you can craft effective communication that resonates with your audience. It's a dynamic, ongoing process, but one that holds the key to truly engaging with your audience and ultimately driving your business success. In the ever-evolving landscape of business, understanding your target audience is the cornerstone of success. Today, we've explored how Pinterest, a dynamic visual platform, can be a powerful tool to unlock this understanding. We've seen that by analyzing the interests, hobbies, and lifestyle choices pinned by your audience, a vivid picture of who they are emerges. This insight extends to their purchasing power and preferences, offering valuable data to inform your pricing strategies and product development. But it doesn't end there. The content your audience engages with on Pinterest can guide your messaging, helping you to communicate effectively and resonate with their interests and values. So don't wait. Dive into the world of Pinterest analytics. The insights you'll gain could be the key to propelling your business to new heights. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable insights on business growth and marketing strategies. Thanks for watching.